In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your oil pressure sending switch on your Dodge Ram. It's located right above your oil filter. Now we're going to reach up right behind our lower radiator hose. The oil pressure sending unit is right above the oil filter. And there's a connector on the top right here. You're going to pinch that little tab on the top side and pull that connector off. I'm going to go ahead and use a 27mm deep socket with an extension and my ratchet. I want to get on up there. Let's go ahead and loosen that. Once you get to a certain point, it'll be loose enough where you can reach on up there by hand. Grab that unit and unthread it. Go ahead and take your oil switch here. I'm going to line that up. I'm going to thread that in. Spin it in clockwise here. I like to thread it in as far as you can by hand. Once that snugs down, go ahead and grab your tool, and we're going to go ahead and snug that down into place. And make sure that's in there snug. Go ahead and grab that connector, line it up as it can only go on one way, press on that harness, and you'll hear it and feel it snap into place, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.